Yes, students, what we have done yesterday is sewage. What is sewage? It is the wastewater. Okay, and it is liquid wastewater, and it is a complex mixture that contains so many things. It contains organic impurities that we have discussed yesterday, inorganic impurities, and there are also nutrients, saprotropic, that we have discussed in the first chapter. The organism that feed on dead and decaying matter. Yes, that we have discussed in first chapter. Now the next is that it also contains disease causing bacteria and other microbes. That is on page number 221. There is a para above the table 18.1. Yes, so the organic impurities that contains human feces, animal waste, oil, urea or urine. Okay, pesticides, herbicides, fruits, vegetable waste. Yes, these are the things that are present in organic impurities. Okay, next that we have discussed is inorganic impurities. That means it contains nitrates, phosphates. I have told you what are nitrates. These are the compounds of nitrogen, the chemical substances. Okay, and phosphates contain phosphorus. Okay, you have to learn the name. In the next classes, you will understand what it means. Okay, now next is nutrients. You all know that the nutrients that are present, phosphorus and nitrogen, and bacteria. That disease, cholera and typhoid. The disease cholera is caused by Vibrio cholerae. The bacteria name is Vibrio cholerae, and typhoid is caused by Salmonella paratyphi. This is all that we have discussed yesterday. So next we will discuss about water freshens up an eventful journey. Okay, we will see the journey that how the wastewater is flowing. Okay, so the first thing that we have discussed is sewage. That means the wastewater. So what is sewers? It means where the sewage flows. Okay, from where the wastewater flow. We have pipes in our homes. Okay, that connection is of pipes, large or small pipes, is sewers. Okay, for example, there is many times there are homes. I'm just drawing a figure. I'm not that much good at drawing, but still I am trying. Okay. Okay, these are the houses. They have pipe from where the wastewater goes out from the home. Okay, these are the sewers. Okay, small or large pipes that are installed in buildings to carry the sewage water. Okay, that is wastewater. Now, these are interconnected. Okay, from this home the water is wastewater is coming here, here, and here, and then it flows down. Okay, and it goes to the sewage. Okay, and there is a wastewater treatment plant here. So here in the wastewater treatment plant, what they do, there is treatment of that wastewater. क्या हो रहा है, यहाँ से पानी, गंदा पानी इकट्ठा हुआ, ओके, सारा इकट्ठा होके एक वेस्ट वाटर प्लांट में आता है. ठीक है, यहाँ पे वो पानी साफ होगा. ठीक है, ज्यादा साफ नहीं, मीन्स क्या, उसको जो इम्प्योरिटीज है वो रिमूव कर दी जाएंगी. इट इज वेस्ट वाटर ट्रीटमेंट प्लांट. Treatment plant. Okay, from this then the water is taken into the source where it will be thrown into the any source. Rivers में फेंकना है या कहीं किसी source में फेंकना है तो यहाँ से waste water treat होके यहाँ पे फेंका जाएगा. Okay, what is sewage? Sewage, sorry. What is sewage? It is a network. You are seeing the network? Yes, it is the network. Yes. So by which that is consist of sewers. That it is also sewer. The whole is sewerage. Okay, and where it is installed. Now it carries the sewage from the point of source जहां से वो collect कर रहे हैं और वहां पे dispose करना है इसको. Okay, sit properly बच्चे. It is clear to you all. Sewage is the wastewater. Sewers are the pipes that are installed in buildings. The whole network is called the sewage. Clear to you? The three terms are clear to you. These are the large or small pipes. Large or small pipes. And it is, what is sewage? It is the network of that pipes. You are getting my point? Don't get confused in these terms. Now, next. It is like a transport system that carries sewage from the point of being produced to the point of disposal. जहां से इकट्ठा करना है उसको वेस्ट वाटर ट्रीटमेंट प्लांट में से पास करना है, then it will dispose into the source. Okay, and the next line is manholes are located at every 50 meter to 60 meter in the sewage. Manholes means वहां पे आपने देखा होगा आपके घर के आगे ही मीन्स कहीं ना कहीं पे वो स्ट्रीट में प्रेजेंट होंगे मैनहोल्स. ओके, एट द डिस्टेंस ऑफ 50 to 60 meters. Yes, so now we see a video where the meaning of these is more clear to you all now. Okay. Yes, there are two types of pipes in the home, for fresh water and for the wastewater. Then the wastewater goes into the sewers. Okay, from the sewers it goes to the sewerage. Yes, it is the picture of sewerage. Clear? Now there are manholes that are present at the 50 to 60 meters near your houses. Okay, and where they meet, there is a junction, means there is a change in direction. Okay, and they meet here. Now, how to treat the wastewater? You are saying that the water is so much dirty from where it is. Now we have to study the waste treatment of polluted water. You all have seen the water is very dirty. Yes, now how to clean it? Just see. Okay. Firstly, what you will do, you will take a large glass jar and third-fourth fill it with water. Okay, add some organic matter. Then what you can add? You can add grass pieces, orange peel, and some amount of detergent and ink. Then you have to shake in this way. Okay, and then kept it into the sun for 2 days. Clear? आपने रख दिया, फिर दोबारा आपने shake करना है उसको. Then shake it again. What you will do? You will collect a sample from that liquid and put it into a small test tube. Okay, and name it as sample 1. So it is a sample 1. It is ready. Okay, then what you will do? You will use an aerator. You are seeing that there are bubbles that are producing in the beaker. Yes, you will use an aerator. What is the function of aerator? Aerator will provide the oxygen. Okay, it will provide the oxygen. What will happen on that oxygen? जो उसमें बैक्टीरिया या माइक्रोब्स हैं वो आएंगे, सॉरी, they will start their action. Yes, and they will start eating the waste. Okay, and if you don't have an aerator, you can also use mechanical stirrer. आप हाथ से भी उसको मिक्स कर सकते हो. ओके, नेक्स्ट डे आप उसमें से एक सैंपल कलेक्ट करोगे. Then you will name it as sample 2. You have collected 2 sample. First, from the in the starting that you have collected, and after aeration, you get the second sample. Okay, now what you will do, you will make a cone from paper and fit into the funnel. Okay, what you will do, आप उसको थोड़ा सा वेट कर लेंगे वाटर से. Then you will place it into the funnel. You are seeing that the person is holding a funnel. Yes, now you will add small gravels, medium sized gravels and large gravels into it. Okay, then pour the sample that you have collected into this. Okay, so you will get the another sample now, and you will name it as sample number 3, that is filtered. With the help of the gravel is helping in filtration. Okay, and you have collected now 3 samples. Clear? Now what you will do, you will add chlorine tablet into that sample. Yes, it is added. So what will happen? Chlorine tablet will disinfect the water. Okay, जो इसमें जो microbes हो गए उसको खत्म कर देगा. Okay, and it is now after chlorination, what you get is the sample number 4. There is no need to taste this sample. Okay, now you can use this sample not for the drinking purpose, you can use it for the other purpose. Okay, आप उसको drink नहीं कर सकते हो. Clear? Now, yes, Krish.
मैम ग्रेवल से वो फिल्टर कैसे हो सकता है वाटर?
Sorry.
मैम जैसे आपने बताया जो हमारा कंटेमिनेटेड वाटर के सैंपल है उसको हमने ग्रेवल में डालना है, जो बिग, मीडियम और लार्ज साइज में. मैम ग्रेवल कैसे फिल्टर कर सकता है वाटर को?
Just see what we are doing. Okay, what we have done, we have taken a funnel. Okay. In actual practice, there is no use of filter paper. On the large purpose scale, there is no use of the filter paper. Okay, first thing I am clearing you that. Now the next is, there is a small gravels first. Okay, and then there is just under there is small gravels, and then there are large gravels. What is happening? See here. Now you will add that mixture. It may contain some soil particles that get, इसमें क्या हो जाएंगे, stuck हो जाएंगे. They will stuck into these. Okay, so the water that you get is now it does not contain large particles. Okay, so यहाँ से जो निकलेंगे वो यहाँ से stuck हो जाएंगे, क्योंकि ये उनसे भी बहुत छोटे हैं साइज में, and therefore you get the filtered product. Clear? Yes, Vanshika.
Okay मैम.
Yes बच्चे.
ना अपनी सेकंड स्टेप और जो सैंपल सेकंड है उसमें क्या करना है?
Your voice is not clear बच्चे.
मैम जो सैंपल सेकंड है उसमें क्या करना है?
Sample 2. Yes, I am just coming to it, it is aeration. What do you mean by aeration? Just 1 minute. It is the term aeration. What do you mean by? There is a term aerator also and aeration also. Aerator is any type of machine that produces oxygen. It produces oxygen. Okay, what is aeration? It is the process of introducing air to increase the oxygen amount. Okay, it is the process of introducing oxygen, you can also say introducing air, okay, to increase oxygen amount, to increase oxygen amount, because there are some bacteria, okay, जो ऑक्सीजन उनको मिलेगी तो वो ज्यादा उनकी अमाउंट बढ़ेगी और the what they will do, they will eat the organic waste. ओके जो पील्स हैं उनके ऊपर एक्ट करेंगे, वो जो वेजिटेबल पील्स हैं या कोई लिविंग दैट एनी टाइप ऑफ वेस्ट, वेजिटेबल और फ्रूट वेस्ट, ओके दे विल एक्ट ऑन दैट. ओके
And ma'am,
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम,
ma'am, the sewerages, the
मैम जो
water,
उन्होंने जो
मतलब
वीडियो में
जो
वाटर
गंदगी
में
है,
वो ऑरेंज कलर की थिंग पाई थी वो कौन सी थी?
सॉरी
मैम जो उन्होंने जो आपने यूट्यूब पे वीडियो दिखाई थी,
जो आपने,
मैम जो आपने यूट्यूब पे वीडियो दिखाई थी हमें अभी,
हाँ जी
मैम उसमें जो उन्होंने वाटर में पहले शेक करने को कहा था और उसमें एक ऑरेंज कलर की थिंग थी, वो बताना कौन सी थी?
कौन सा ब्लैक कलर की थी, उन्होंने बहुत ज्यादा वेस्ट डाला था उसमें. इट कंटेन्स वेस्ट. दे हैव
मैम जो ऑरेंज कलर की थिंग
हाँ
पाई
जी
थी, जो ऑरेंज कलर का थिंग, ऑरेंज
हाँ,
कलर
it
की
is
थिंग पाई
waste,
थी.
it is waste, it is shown in that color.
ओके
Okay,
मैम.
then they have added ink and so many detergents they have added.
ओके मैम.
Yes.
वाटर में कुछ न्यूट्रिएंट्स भी होते हैं. मैम आपने कहा था कि सीवेज
Just
वाटर में कुछ न्यूट्रिएंट्स.
Vanshika, you can ask बच्चे. Yes, Vanshika.
मैम आप सीवर्ब की डेफिनेशन दोबारा समझा दोगे?
किसकी?
मैम सीवेज. ओह
Sewers or sewage or sewerage? What you are asking for? SEWAGE?
मैम यस.
Okay. It is sewage, but it means the waste water. It just means the waste water. Okay, that is in liquid state and it contains so many other pollutants.
मैम जो आपने कहा था कि सीवरेज वाटर में कुछ न्यूट्रिएंट्स भी होते हैं, मैम कंटामिनेटेड वाटर में न्यूट्रिएंट्स कैसे होंगे?
Vanshika, your voice is not clear. बाकी बच्चों के साथ
मैम आपने कहा था कि सीवरेज वाटर में कुछ न्यूट्रिएंट्स भी होते हैं मैम, लेकिन कंटामिनेटेड वाटर में न्यूट्रिएंट्स नहीं होंगे?
coming from the agriculture waste, तो वो भी उसमें होगा, ठीक है ना. Nitrogen and phosphate amounts in large amount also harm the water. Okay, it also contaminates it. Clear?
यस मैम.
Yes, it is also harmful. Yes, now there is a use of chlorine tablet.
एक्सक्यूज मैम.
Yes,
एक्सक्यूज मैम.
yes बच्चे.
मैम हमारे घर मैम जैसे फिल्टर, मैम इन आवर होम्स वी हैव फिल्टर्स, मैम इन दैट फिल्टर्स वी आल्सो हैव सम वेस्ट पार्टिकल्स.
Yes, obviously the filter is doing the process to remove all the impurities that are present in the water. It is the function of filter that it will remove the harmful particles or other contaminants that are present in the water. Okay, therefore it is safe for drinking. You can drink that water. Clear? उसमें से भी वेस्ट निकलता है, कुछ ना कुछ पार्टिकल्स हार्मफुल होंगे जो फिल्टर वो तभी तो वो फिल्टर करके आपको बिल्कुल सेफ ड्रिंकिंग वाटर दे रहा है.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, is natural water always pure?
Natural water that you are getting from rivers, lakes is fresh, but you can't say that it is fit for drinking. Okay, if it is clean, it doesn't mean that it is fit for our drinking. It may contains many type of disease. It can diseasing microbes that cause. Okay. Yes. For example, if you are getting water from well, okay, it doesn't mean that it is safe for drinking. You can use it for the other purposes also. That you can wash the clothes, you can use it for bathing or other purpose, but it is not that much safe for drinking it. Okay, listen to me. जब पुराने टाइम में जो wells थे, the people introduced the chlorine tablet into it. What is the function of chlorine tablet? I am writing here. What is the function of chlorine tablet? That chlorine tablet disinfect the water. Okay, it disinfect the water. Yes, and it removes the harmful. If there is any harmful particles are there, it can remove it. Okay. Why we are doing aeration?
Ma'am, is it a type of acid?
Yes. It is in the form of.
Ma'am, is it a type of acid?
No, it is a tablet. A pure chlorine tablet that consists of chlorine only. Okay. It is not an acid.
Ma'am, how much is generally the distance between the two nearest manholes in the sewerage?
50 to 60 meters, there the distance between the two manholes. Listen, what the aeration is doing, just see it. The aeration can change the color of the liquid. It changes the color of the liquid also. How it is changing? Color of liquid changes. How it is doing that? You know that I have told you that on aeration, the bacteria grows, okay, and they will eat the food and other human waste. Okay, so on aeration, the color of the liquid changes. Okay. When we do the next treatment plant, that is a wastewater treatment plant, then it will be more clear to you. It is just an activity. Okay, the actual process that we will see to remove how to clean the wastewater is the wastewater treatment plant. It is taking place in that plant. Okay, clear? On aeration, there is no change in the color. Yes, bache?
Ma'am, where is the water discharge after treatment?
Yeah, what you are saying?
Ma'am, where is the water discharge after treatment?
It is discharged in any source. Because for example, देखिए अब ज़्यादा गंदा वेस्ट होगा तो हम उसको सीधा रिवर में नहीं फेंक सकते हैं. Because it contain plastic and so many other harmful products that are coming from industries. So what we do clean them in the wastewater treatment plant. Okay, and then it is now less harmful. Okay, the waste that is there in the solid waste that is removed, now the impurities are removed. Okay, then it can be disposed to any source also. Okay, but after treatment, after cleaning the wastewater. Clear?
Ma'am, will
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am, will chlorine reduced?
Actually, the chlorine will change the color because it is disinfecting, so it can change the color.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. The sand filter that we have done, it will remove the large particles, okay, that are present. Now there is any doubt?
मैम आप एक बार क्लोरीन फिर से समझा दो
Sorry, what you are saying?
मैम आप एक बार क्लोरीन फिर से समझा दो
क्या समझाना है?
क्लोरीन
बच्चे क्लोरीन, the water that is coming to your home, it is treated with chlorine. क्लोरीन से ट्रीट किया जाता है अभी भी. It is used till now.
मैम वाटर पार्क्स के पूल्स में भी ये यूज होती है.
हाँ जी.
मैम क्लोरीन.
Yes.
मैम डिसइंफेक्ट करने के लिए.
Yes, उसको डिसइंफेक्ट
मैम ये
करने के
मेडिकल
लिए.
शॉप्स पे मिलती हैं.
आपने डिसइंफेक्ट करना है वाटर. Don't use these types of chemicals. There is no need to touch these chemicals. It can harm you. Okay? Clear to you all? There is no need to touch any type of these type of tablet. Promise me you will not. You can search it on Google. Okay? It is harmful, बच्चे. Chlorine gas is very harmful. It is fatal for us. It is very poisonous and it cause irritation to us also.
मैं इसकी ओडर भी बहुत ऐसे स्मेली सी
हाँ
होती
जी.
है.
Yes, Dhruv, you are right. Now, if there is any doubt, you can ask me.